I just made this super cute groovy dress and I'm going to show you how to make it. So stick around, subscribe, hit the notification bell so that you get notified anytime we post a new video. Follow us on social media, and then let's get started. You're going to need the Arlo Turtleneck pattern from Petite Stitchery. There are kid sizes and adult sizes, 2 separate patterns. The baby sizes are included in the kid size. It looks a little difficult to see that, but great pattern. You need about 1 to 2 yards of fabric. I used rib knit fabric from Olga's Closet, depending on the size, and this can be fully completed on a serger. So buckle up, here we go. Here are the pieces that you're going to need. You need 2 of these cut on a fold, and I think this is the tall bodice. And we're doing the hemmed dress line here. And then the sleeve, to make this groovy, this is how I do my sleeve here. And if you want a more detailed video of how I did this sleeve, join our membership. We'll link it down below. Silver memberships get access to special videos and hack videos and things like that. And so I'll show you how to make this. Otherwise, just look at this and try to create it as best as you can. But yeah, this is the sleeve. You'll cut 2 of these on a fold. The straight edge is the fold line. Alright, so I got my pieces cut. I got a front and a back, which is the exact same piece here of this bodice. And then I've got my 2 sleeves. This has no neckband because we are going to do a rolled hem on the neckband in the sleeves. So we're going to serge this outer edge of the sleeve here. Then we're going to put our bodice pieces front and back together, right sides together, like this. So right sides together, front and back. And then you are going to serge this little curve here. And then all the way down from the armpit to the bottom. And so let's go over to the serger and do that really, really quick. So this is what it looks like serged. Snip the little pieces here to make a point. Flip them right side out. And then you're going to match up the shoulder piece here. I stuffed the sleeve in. Match up that shoulder snip point and the armpit point here. And then you're going to serge in a curve in the circle here to serge the sleeve on. So the sleeve was right side out. And we're just going to serge it on here. And then you will just repeat this with the other sleeve. I don't show it in the video, but just pause and repeat it with the other sleeve. Oh, I do show it in the video. Just kidding. I just did it really fast. All right. Serge that other sleeve on. And then next we're going to prepare the machine for a rolled hem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and unthread it, pull all my threads out, and I'm going to switch it to black. I need to take my left needle out, and I lost my little wrench thingy, Allen wrench, and so I had to use this thing. Take that left needle out, keep that right one in. Remove your stitch finger, and then thread your machine like you normally would. Tweezers are your best friend when doing this. I think it actually came with a pair. I don't know where they are, but I use my tweezers. I get it started with a chain, and then the settings. Don't worry about this first one because we took that left needle out, but we need 4, 5, and 7 are my settings up here. And then my side settings, we will push this little guy all the way down to the bottom. This one to R, and this one to R. Alright, and then I like to get a little piece of practice fabric so that I don't mess up what I'm doing. And I test it out on that first, just to see how much I want to stretch or not stretch the piece of fabric. Make sure that it's all how I want it to be, just so I don't mess up my garment. That's perfect. So now we're going to do a rolled hem on the neck. Then we will also do a rolled hem. It's a very cute style, and it's really easy to finish. We will do a rolled hem on the sleeve openings here, our little bell sleeve that we created. You'll do this on both sleeves. And you can stretch. It's definitely important to stretch that neck. I didn't say that a second ago. Sorry, but it's important to stretch that neck because you are going to be pulling this on through the neck, or the head's going to go through the neck, right? So you don't want it to be too tight. But depending on how wavy you want it, you can let it just stay there and pull itself through. You can pull it through a little bit if you want to. You can put tension on the other side. It's totally up to you and the desired amount you're looking for. I kind of pull just a little bit, but that's just me. So then we're going to hem the bottom. So that was the neck hole. Make sure you stretch that one because you don't want it to be too tight. The 2 sleeve openings and then the bottom. And that's all you have to do. This dress is complete. If you did want to add a size tag, I would put it in the side seam if you're doing the rolled hem. But yeah, just go back over where you started, pull it out, snip it, and let's flip this thing inside out, or right side out, I should say, and see what it looks like. This is a super cute, groovy dress. Super quick to make because all you have to do is, you know, construct it and add those sleeves. There's no bands or anything like that and no crazy hemming. The main thing that takes the longest is, you know, the rolled edge hem. But it's super cute. Super trendy. Absolutely love this. Definitely go grab it. I think it's $5 right now. The adult pattern is $5 and the kids pattern is $5. But this is what it looks like all hung up. Very cute. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you soon. And go ahead and check out our memberships. We're going to be revamping that and going full force into doing that. So, are you in?